Hi, welcome to the Prabhat classes. Yesterday, in last video, we have done exercise 3A of share and dividend. Today, we'll do exercise 3B of share and dividend. First question is, a man buys 75 rupees 100 shares paying 9% dividend. He buys shares at such a price that he gets 12% of his money. At what price did he buy the share? So in this question we have given, we'll write given number of shares is equal to 75, nominal value is equal to 100, percentage dividend is given 9%. Percentage income is given 12% on investment. At question is asking at what price, market value. So for this total nominal value will be equal to 100 into 75, that is 7500. Total dividend is equal to 9% of 7500, that is 9 by 100 into 75. 9 into 75, multiply this, you will get the dividend. Then after this, if we get income, we are this one income percent is given on investment, so investment is equal to market value into number of shares. Let the market value be x, number of share is 75, so it is 75x. so income is equal to 12% on his investment. मीन्स इनकम इज इक्वल टू इनकम जो होगा वो ये जो मनी है, टोटल डिविडेंड विल बी इक्वल टू इनकम ऑफ द पर्सन, दैट इज इनकम इज इक्वल टू डिविडेंड गिवन बाय कंपनी, दैट इज इनकम विल बी 12% of 75x is equal to 9 into 75, that is 12 by 100 into 75, x equal to 9 into 75, x will be equal to 9 into 75 into 100 divided by 12 into 75. This will be cancelled 3 times, 4 times, 425 times, that is 75 rupees. So market value of each share is 75 rupees. So this is the market value of each share. Now question number 2. In question number 2, the question is, by purchasing rupees 25 gas shares for rupees 40 each, nominal value is given 25. Question number 2, nominal value is 25, market value is given rupees 40. A man get 4% profit on investment. Percentage profit is equal to 4% on investment. Please remember this, 4% on investment, not the 4% on total nominal value. What rate percent is the company paying? First question is asked, what rate percent is the company paying? What is the, and second one is, what is his dividend if he buys 60 shares? Rate percent it is asked. So first we will find profit on one share is equal to 4% 4% of 40, that is 4 by 100 into 40, 1.6 rupees profit on, he is getting 1.6. Then percentage dividend is equal to 1.6 rupees is getting profit, nominal value is 25 into 100, that is 6.4% is the dividend. Number of share is given, number of shares is given 60, number of share is given 60. So total dividend received by the person will be 60 into dividend on, question is what is the dividend if he buys 60 shares. So dividend is number of shares into total number of shares into nominal value into dividend percent. This much he will get as total dividend received is 96 rupees. So understand this, nominal value is given, market value is given, profit percent is given on investment. So profit on one share will be equal to 4% of 40 because the investment is 40 rupees for each share. So that man will receive 1.6 rupees as profit on his investment. Percentage dividend is equal to profit received by the man by nominal value into 100, that is dividend will be 6.4%, number of share is 60. So total dividend received is equal to number of shares into nominal value into percentage dividend. Now question number 3, it says that 100 rupees shares of a company are available in market at a premium of 20. So this type of question you can do, I think. Question number 3 is easy, only solve it yourself. Question number 4, rupees 50 shares of a company are quoted at a discount. Here also market value will decrease by 10%, that is 10% of 50 is equal to 5, that means the market value will be 50 minus 5, that is 45. After that nominal value is given, market value is given, find the rate of dividend given by the company, that the return on the investment of these shares being 20%. I think you can do these questions. So I will solve the next question for you. Question number 4. Rupees 50 share, that is nominal value is given rupees 50, percentage discount is equal to 10%, therefore market value is equal to 50 into 100 minus 10 by 100, 50 into 90 by 100, 45 rupees. 45 rupees. If a man receives rupees 2840, find the rate of dividend given by the company. The return on the investment on these shares been 20%. Percentage profit on investment is equal to 20%. So 20% of 45 is equal to 45 into 20 by 100, 9 rupees. So 9 rupees find the rate of dividends. Therefore, rate of dividend is equal to money received, income on this by nominal value into 100, that is equal to 18%. In this question, nominal value is given, market value will find out, 10% discount. So we will use the formula of loss here. Nominal value into 100 minus discount percent by 100. So you will get the discount that market value, then percentage profit on investment is 20. So profit on one share you will get, profit on one share you will write here. Profit on one share is equal to 20% of 45, that is 9 rupees. Percentage dividend is equal to 9 by 50 into this. So you will get 18%. So for next questions, come to the question number 6. How much should a man invest in rupees 100 share? This question is different from question number 4, 5. So I will do for you. If you are not understanding, you will comment in my box. I will try to make you understand. Question number 5. How much should a man invest in rupees 100 share? That is, nominal value is given rupees 100. Selling at rupees 10, market value is given 110. To obtain annual income of rupees and annual income is equal to rupees 1680. If the dividend declared is 12%, percentage dividend is equal to 12%. So here investment we have to find. How much investment we have to get? Annual income is given 1680. Percentage dividend is this much. So in this question, let the number of share be X. Let the number of share be X. If the number of share is X, then nominal value of X shares is equal to 100X. Market value of X shares is equal to 110X. So dividend is equal to 12% of 100X, that is 12 by 100 into 100X is equal to, this one is given 16680, that is X you will get from here 1680 into by 12. 140. Number of share will be 140. Number of shares is equal to 140. Market value, then we have to find the market value of MB of 140 shares will be equal to 140 into 110. That is for 44, 4, 11, 11 and 4, 15,000, this much. So this is the, therefore money invested will be equal to this. So question number 6 and 7 is same. So do this question. Question number 8, 9, 10 all are same. So till question number 10 you will do. After that next 10 questions from 11 to 20 I will solve in next video. Thank you for watching my video.